Did you know that businesses that dominate their industries have often redefined traditional paradigms with innovative business models? These companies have disrupted established sectors with fresh approaches that offer new value to consumers, proving that innovation is key to long-term success. Uber's platform-based business model stands as a quintessential example of disruption in the transportation industry. Before Uber, the taxi business was confined to rigid structures with high costs of entry and limited service efficiency. Uber's app-based platform allowed passengers and drivers to connect directly. Bypassing the need for a central taxi company, this peer-to-peer ride-sharing model significantly reduced operational costs and improved scalability. Consequently, passengers benefited from more competitive pricing and greater convenience, while drivers found a flexible and lucrative income source. Similarly, Airbnb turned the hospitality industry on its head by enabling homeowners to rent out their spare rooms or entire homes to travelers. Prior to Airbnb, travelers had limited lodging options restricted to hotels and hostels, often at higher costs. Airbnb's business model leverages the existing supply of accommodations, eliminating the substantial capital expenditure required to build and maintain properties. This innovative approach not only made lodging more affordable, but also provided unique, personalized experiences for travelers. Homeowners, in turn, gained a new income stream, making the model attractive and scalable. Another striking example is Netflix, which transformed from a DVD rental service to a global streaming giant. Originally facing competition from brick-and-mortar rental stores, Netflix shifted to a subscription-based streaming model, which fundamentally altered how consumers accessed entertainment. By offering on-demand content directly to viewers' devices, Netflix eliminated the physical limitations of DVDs and disrupted traditional cable and television networks. This innovation brought a vast library of content at the fingertips of subscribers, fostering a culture of binge-watching and generating steady, recurring revenue. Additionally, by investing in original content, Netflix created a unique value proposition that further reinforced its dominance. These success stories highlight the power of business model innovation in redefining markets and setting new standards. Uber, Airbnb, and Netflix didn't just improve existing models, they created entirely new frameworks that offered unparalleled value to their customer bases. Entrepreneurs and business leaders aspiring to emulate such success should focus on understanding their industry's pain points and envisioning novel ways to address them. Innovation should be at the core of their strategy, enabling them to stay ahead in an ever-evolving market. By learning from these pioneers, the next generation of businesses can leverage innovation to challenge the status quo and achieve remarkable growth.